Looking for a Shopify expert? Are you looking for a Shopify expert to create a highly profitable dropshipping store that generates good revenue? Look no further, I'm here to help. As a Shopify expert with a track record of building successful online businesses, I will assist you in turning your dreams into reality. I specialize in designing, redesigning, and creating custom, responsive, and visually stunning Shopify dropshipping stores. These stores are tailored to your specific business needs and, most importantly, built to generate significant revenue. Here's what I will provide. Shopify store. Build and customization with a premium theme Shopify website. Development, SEO optimization, responsive design, app integration, payment gateway setup, and live chat integration. So why should you hire me? I create visually appealing, user-friendly Shopify stores that reflect your brand and engage your audience. From custom Shopify development to integrating third-party apps, I'll build a store that meets your specific needs. Whether it's adding live chat, enhancing your SEO, or setting up a seamless payment gateway, I've got you covered. Be smart and make the right decision. Place an order today, and let's get started on your premium Shopify dropshipping store. WhatsApp +8801705904046. Order now on Fiverr, link on description. Let's build success.